Went by fast.
Hello, ninjas? I trying to figure out why you calling me so early. I almost didn't make it to this break. I almost choked somebody. I almost slapped somebody.
Teacher Lord, will I ever not have to go back after a break?
I'm really thinking about not returning. Hope y'all find y'all new team lead.
Or please touch the janitor's heart, because before the break I lost my room keys, and he been having an attitude ever since. The district done gobbled up my Thanksgiving break. Please help me beat Miss Williams to the copy machine. She does not know the meaning of classroom set. Monday is a comment. I can just see my freedom evaporating. Push the time back, please. My bad, Lord. I'm a man up. Give me a second. Between the district and my family, I always need a break.
I done put on at least 5 pounds. I blame the district for that. My inner fat boy comforts me.
Now, there's way more than 15 items. I done ate leftovers 77 different ways. Dressing and egg, turkey sandwich, ham and eggs and egg, turkey frittata. And I'm scared to see what belt loop I'm on now.
That was like the last day of school chaotic. Never again. The only thing keeping me going is knowing I got another break coming up in a couple of weeks. I don't want to go back to work.